Hi, this is SabaRiaz. This video is all about the party makeup look according to the dress code. I'm using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer as my eye base. It always gives clean slate for any eye look. Setting it with some loose powder to prevent creasing. Now using my old technique for shaping the brows. Combing with a spoolie brush helps to reveal the sparse areas of the brow. In this way you can draw precisely without messing up the natural brow shape. For the eye look according to my dress code, I am using Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. See how vibrant those colors are. I am depositing matte brown shade named Fulani in crease area. I am using a small crease brush with tight bristles. I didn't like matte eyeshadows from this palette because they are chalky and hard to blend, and their shimmers have fallout. But I love shimmers from this palette. Now blending it with small dome shade fluffy blending brush. Your blending shows how professional you are. Applying some black eyeshadow to give depth to the outer corner and the crease, and also dragging it into the crease. Time to cut the crease with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This time it will be full cut crease. Now I am picking up blue shimmer shade from the palette named Dahlia. This is really pigmented, vibrant blue shade. I am applying it in the inner half area. Now I pick up another blue shade from the palette named Chi and apply it all over the lid. These two shades perfectly match with the blue shade of my dress. Applying it with finger to make the eyeshadow pop. Applying some highlighter to the inner corner of the cut crease. Tight lining is always necessary. I am cleaning fallout. I knew it and I didn't prime my face before, so I am applying it right now. e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, my favorite one. Applying Lakme white eye pencil in the lower waterline to make eyes look wide and bigger. Time to apply my favorite faux color eyeliner pen, applying it close to the lash line. I don't want to do overly dramatic eyeliner, keeping it soft and subtle. This is Makeup Revolution's Ultra Base Corrector palette. Picking up peach shade for the correction. Applying under eyes and around the nose where darkness is. You see, less is more in terms of correction. I am using for the first time the most hyped full coverage foundation named Dermacol Makeup Cover. I have 3 shades in total. First swatch is number 218, second is 210, and third one is 222. I need to mix these 3 to get my perfect match because none of these shades match to my skin tone. It's indeed full coverage foundation. It's not transfer proof, but it's easy to blend. I am applying it with brush and I will spray some fixer over it to make the foundation last longer. It's my tried and tested technique. I am using lighter shade as concealer. For contouring, I am using Makeup Revolution's Ultra Contour Palette. It's Cream Contour Palette. Applying on the jawline to make it look more sharp. Here blush is also a cream formula from Luscious Cosmetics Brush Crush. I am applying it with damp beauty blender. For setting cream contour, I am using powder contour over it. Here I am using Artdeco contouring powder. You can see the difference. Contouring becomes so noticeable and sharp, yet subtle. Matte powder contour is really effective for my nose. It hides bumpy areas effectively. I am using locally available lip liner to outline my lips. Carefully working on my cupid's bow. I never like to overdraw my lips, although it is trendy. Makeup is incomplete without highlighter application. Highlighter application is meant to draw attention to some of our face features, while contouring is to hide some of our not so cool features. I am using one of my favorite liquid lipstick here. It's from Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. Semi-matte, long-lasting and transfer-proof. And of course, richly pigmented formula. Mascara from Emelie Cosmetics. It's a locally available brand. Volumizing formula and lengthening band. Works perfectly. I'm applying from root to top in wiggly motion. Finally, here is the finished look. Hope you like it. I'm waiting for your love and support. I have listed all the products that I have used for this look in the description box down below. My mother always makes new headband for my every video. Mothers are truly blessings. Love yourself in order to love people around you. Love is the only solution for every problem. Do take very good care of yourselves and the people you love. Thanks for watching. Bye.